Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Festive Corners, and this is a spooky Halloween bag we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Festive Corners once again, and we're just going to be using spooky here. We're going to be making a very quick and simple treat bag. I have a piece of Whisper White, and then I have our spooky stamp mounted on clear block D. I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. And the reason I'm making these so simple is because we have a lot of nephews and nieces that come to the house, and I like to make it special for them. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, and then I have the stitched rectangle stitched dies, and then I have a piece of the Magic in This Night, so we'll just run that through. Alright, and that's all that we're using this for. So it doesn't take a lot of materials at all. Let me get my silicone sheet along with my Stampin' Seal. And I am going to put it a little further down here. And I'm going to come in with my Label Me Fancy punch. And I'm just going to use this line here. So just like that. And I have the MOSAIC cello bags, and then I just have some candy that I got from Sam's, and I like to put one of each candy in there, so let's see if we'll need more or not. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to come in with my glittered organdy ribbon. I love this ribbon. All right, then I'm just going to loop it through just like that to where it's hanging here. Okay, let's start over. I got a little confused. Alright, so we'll make that, and then we'll bring that through right here. So, just like that. Let's cut off the edges. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween treat bag. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!